As we all know, more conversations happen through WhatsApp than via SMS. To save and view these essential contents, many people want to back up WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, as seen in the preface. Today, you will learn about 5 known workarounds in detail. Way 1. How to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone with Restore Social app. Moving WhatsApp from Android to iPhone between Android and iPhone can be a big headache. But with the cross-platform messaging software Restore Social app, you can accomplish this with minimum effort. Way 2. How to restore WhatsApp backup from Android to iPhone via WhatsApp backup. To get WhatsApp backup from Android to iPhone, you should complete the backup on your Android and restore it on iPhone then. It's easy for you to access the backup file from the local database as needed. Here's how to restore WhatsApp from Android to iPhone via WhatsApp backup. Android, Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Backup now. Uninstall WhatsApp on Android. Install WhatsApp on iPhone. Log in and tap Restore when prompted. Way 3. How to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone with changing account feature. Remove old SIM. Insert new SIM. Open WhatsApp on Android. Go to Settings, Account Change Number. Enter original and new phone numbers. Receive verification code on old number. Backup with new number. Way 4. How to move WhatsApp from Android to iPhone using email chat. Android, WhatsApp settings, chat setting, email chat. Select conversation, choose to include or exclude media files. Enter email. Click Send. Sign into email on iPhone to access WhatsApp messages. Way 5. How to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone using Move to iOS. Android, launch Move to iOS app. Continue, agree, find your code next. Set up iPhone. Select Move from Android screen. Get transfer code. Enter code on Android. Establish connection. Select WhatsApp for transfer.